Welcome back, everyone. Today we're about to witness some of the craziest and most insane car crashes you'll ever see. Every jump gets bigger, every crash gets harder, and every second is completely unpredictable. Our first car is lining up for an impossible jump. It looks easy at first, but looks can be deceiving. The driver pushes the accelerator to the limit, the engine screams, and the car launches into the air. Will it make the landing or end in total destruction? That was only the beginning. Now things get even crazier. This next challenge is higher, faster, and far more dangerous. Most cars don't survive this ramp. Watch carefully because every tiny mistake changes everything. Speed is increasing. The countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. What a massive impact. Parts are flying everywhere, but somehow the car keeps moving. That's incredible. Let's raise the difficulty. This time the ramp is longer, the gap is wider, and the landing zone is almost impossible. Can this vehicle beat the odds? Keep watching because the biggest crash is still ahead. Here comes another challenger. Different car, different strategy, same impossible mission. Full throttle, no brakes, maximum speed. The suspension struggles, the wheels leave the ground, and what a spectacular crash. The